Our stage bearers, Lizzie Emilio and Eliza Espejo. Bouquet bearer, Yuna Sabrine P. Limanao.
Ever try, reach out for the other side.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the entrance of our king and queen. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise in respect as we welcome the pinnacle of majesty. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to witness the beauty and charm of Aries Elementary School, King and Queen?